Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Mara Davis here today, and I'm back with another video. If it is your first time from joining my channel, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Mara Davis, and I'm a Nigerian-based YouTuber currently living in Lagos. Yeah, okay. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe icon. Then you get notified whenever I upload a video. I promised to make this video when I did my last video. If you don't watch my last video, I'm going to link the video up here or down in the description box below, where I told you guys I'm going to be sharing with you, telling you guys the latest supplements or the most effective supplements this 2020 that you can use this period, and your skin is going to speak for you. Okay, you don't have to talk, your skin is to talk. So I'm going to be sharing you guys I'm going to show you guys the supplements, the vitamin C supplement and the collagen supplement that is best for you to use. I'm telling you guys why you should use it. I'm giving you this because this is the one that I recommend to you guys right now, because a lot of people like asking me which one do you recommend, which one do you think is the best, blah blah blah. So this is the one I'm going to recommend for you guys. So yeah, if you have other ones, or if you've used any of these supplements before and I'm showing you on the screen, please put it in the comment section. Let me know if it works for you and if it doesn't work for you. But a lot of people come to give positive review about this supplement. So yeah, here is the supplement: jaw white egg crystal skin. Yeah, if you've seen this supplement before and you've used this, put it in the comment section. Let me know if it worked for you. This supplement is the best right now. It's one of the best supplements you can use this period. It works like magic. It's formulated from Japan, and injection treatment that is converted into capsule form. Please ignore every noise you hear in the background and focus on my voice right here. Okay, so it's the first ever injection form that was actually formulated into a capsule form. Yes, Glutathione too was formulated from injection form, but this one is very effective, like super effective. It's the best. It contains camel extract 75 milligram, hyaluronic acid 25 milligram, premium C pearl 250 milligram, vitamin C 125 milligram, and glutathione 125 milligram. You are supposed to use this. This actually has 20 capsules. I'm sweating. This capsule actually contains 20 capsules and can last you for 40 days. Like it's not just amazing. It's quite pricey, but not too pricey, and the price has actually gone up due to dollar increase here in Nigeria. So if you want to get it from TMD Skincare, all you need to do is go down in the description box and check the WhatsApp number and order it ASAP. This is most selling supplements I have with me, and it's very effective. You have to take one capsule every 2 days. You have to take one capsule every 2 days and 30 minutes before meal. Okay, if you're pregnant, you're not supposed to take this. If you're breastfeeding, you're not supposed to take this. Okay, before you can take it when you're pregnant or breastfeeding, please go and tell your doctor first. Don't say it is Maria that recommended the drug for you. Do not take it when you're pregnant or breastfeeding. It is the best to take it when you're not doing anything, okay, when your body system adjusts to you, okay, and it's very effective. You're definitely going to see results as early as the 3rd capsule. It has 20 capsules. You're taking one every 2 days. So when you're taking your 3rd capsule, you're already seeing results on your skin, your body system. This is the bomb. I'm actually like telling you guys, I'm recommending it to you all of you guys, okay, ladies and gentlemen. This is the best for you. Boost skin elasticity, it creates fullness and youthful skin, it reduces fine lines and wrinkles, it actually reduces hyperpigmentation, it lightens your hyperpigmentation, okay, and it keeps your skin hydrated and even out your skin tone. So if you're battling with skin problem, any skin acne, scars, spots, stretch mark and all of that, this is the best supplement for you to use. You have to invest in your skin before you can see the results, okay. Yeah, I know some people will be like, it's quite pricey, no problem, but there are other supplements you can actually check out. And so I've done a video on supplements that one of the cheapest, 5 cheapest supplements you can get that whitens the skin. I'm going to link the video up here or down in the description box below. Go and watch that video. You can get cheaper supplements for your range, okay. But if you know that you're very boxed up and you want to actually invest in your skin, this is the best supplement for you. And this is not just what you're going to use. I'm going to show you guys 2 other supplements you are supposed to use, okay. where is it? So when you're using this particular supplement, though it contains vitamin C, but the vitamin C is not enough for your skin, you have to go for this vitamin C right here. This particular one, gong. You have to go for it because this particular vitamin C boosts your immune system and also lightens the skin. This one is 30 capsules. I know someone wanted to get this from me and thought it was 100 capsules. Nope, this is 30 capsules and it's very, very effective if you're using it alongside with this one. Okay, so yeah, it's an antioxidant, rose hip, citrus, biflavonoids, particular vitamin C. You're supposed to take one daily, but direction here is to take 1 to 4 tablets daily, preferably with meal. Okay, so it depends on how you want to take it. When I take this supplement, if I take the supplement, I take this once daily. I don't take it 4 times daily because it's too much for me. Okay, so I would advise to take it once daily, but this is the best vitamin C supplement to use with any whitening supplement. Okay, it works better with vitamin C. Do not say you don't have money for vitamin C, then you're getting this one. It's not going to work. You have to use the two together. Okay. So the third supplement you have to use with it right here is this new cell collagen. I'm going to put a picture of it, but if you guys cannot see it right here on the screen, I'm going to put a picture of it on the screen. Okay, this is how it looks like. This is like the new packaging, so it doesn't look like this before. It looks like one kind. I'm going to put it on the screen how it looks like before. This collagen is a must. Okay, if you're above 25 years old and you're not using any collagen supplements on your skin, then you're doing it wrong. You're supposed to use a collagen supplement on your skin so that it's going to make it's going to improve your skin elasticity. It's going to improve your skin elasticity and also make you look younger and youthful. So when you're above 25 years old and you're not using these collagen supplements, please, what are you doing to yourself? You have to start using collagen, and you have to start adding collagen to it. So I'm going to read what is said right here so that you guys will understand what I'm trying to say. As we age, our body's collagen gets depleted, which can lead to many common signs of aging. But with our Super Collagen Plus C, you can reveal your inner beauty. The clinically studied formula combines hydrolyzed collagen and an essential antioxidant vitamin C. Together, they can boost your healthy collagen formula for youthful and healthy radiant skin. So this is supposed to take 6 tablets daily. That is 3 in the morning, 3 at night, empty stomach. It contains 250 tablets and it's for healthy skin, healthy hair, nails, joints. Collagen generally actually boosts your immune system as well and also helps you to grow better nails, better hair, and also youthful glowing skin. It contains vitamin C as well, but still have to use this vitamin C with it. So if you don't want to whiten your skin, which when you use this one, you're going to whiten your skin. So if you don't want to whiten your skin, all you need to do is just use this new cell collagen supplement and use it with this vitamin C. Then you're going to be glowing and have a youthful skin glow. So as I said earlier, if you're pregnant or nursing or taking any medication, you have to consult your doctor before you use it. Okay, always consult your doctor before you use any supplement. Okay, and so if you have any further question on any of these 3 supplements, put it in the comment section. I'm going to answer you guys. Okay, and if you want to order any of these 3 supplements, all you need to do is check the description box for my number, my WhatsApp number. I'm going to deliver to you wherever you are. Okay, this is US brand, this is Japan brand, and this. But you can't see this vitamin C like anywhere in the supermarket. You can't see this one. I say pharmacy. You can't see this vitamin C anywhere in the pharmacy. If you're in Nigeria, you have to get it from probably Read and Sell skincare and all of that, as well as this one. But you can actually see this one at a pharmacy. Okay, you can get this at the pharmacy. It has smaller size and it has this very big size. This is like the biggest size that contains 250 tablets. Okay, so I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to try this supplements, please don't forget to try the three together and give me back your feedback and tag me on Instagram if it's working for you or you really enjoyed it. So I'm going to stop this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you don't subscribe. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video.